Okay, in this video I'm going to be using the variables to conduct a simple coding practice. So let's first write in my. Now we should not use spaces in variables, so instead of space I'm going to use this symbol. There you go. So I write my revenue. Okay, I don't know if the spelling is alright or not. So let's give in my revenue. So let's say my revenue this month is let's just say at $200. There we go. So I have my revenue, and then I need to add my taxes. So let's just write in tax and then rate. So tax rate, and there we go. The tax rate is let's say for me, if I remember correctly, it was 10%. So for 10% it's going to be 0.1. There you go. And now I'm going to write in my income. So there we go. My income equals to, I'm going to multiply my revenue with my tax rate. So that's not my income, that is going to be my my tax. Okay, or my payments, whatever I want to call it. There you go. So my tax is equals to my, now I'm going to press on the tab key. There you go, tab key. I have my revenue. Let's select my revenue, multiplied symbol, and then that's writing in my, press on the tab key, and I give in my not my tax, it's going to be tax rate, right? So let's back up a bit, write in TA, click on the tab. There we go, we have tax rate, and then I'm going to do a shift enter. There we go. Now I'm going to write in my, then tab, let's go, my text. There we go, that is my text. Now let's call in my text, shift enter. There you go. So my text is $20 for this month. Now what else I can do is, for say I have written this code, right, to calculate my text. So what I can do right now is I can, for example, this was for this month, so let's say the next month I am getting let's say $150. so now I would like to know what my tax is, right? So if I go manually, then I'll have to do a shift enter, then another shift enter, another shift enter, and another shift enter to get my tax of this month. So for a simpler result, let's give in 450 for this month. Now I'm going to click on this one, so the run all, click on run all, restart, and run all cells. Okay, there we go. So I have run all of the cells all together in a single click and got my the value of my tax that I have to pay this month. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was enjoyable for you, and as always, thank you very much for watching.